Welcome to Touch to Click, and in this video we'll show you how to fix network cable not properly plugged in error on Windows using simple and effective steps. Whether you're on Windows 10 or 11, this guide will help you get back online. Now let's get started. Method 1 begins with step 1, where you open the Windows search box and type CMD to find the command prompt. Right-click on command prompt and select Run as administrator, because admin access is required to make network-related system changes. Step 2 is where you run the required network command. Click inside the command prompt window, type the provided command, and press enter on your keyboard. This command helps reset or refresh network settings that may be causing the error. Step 3 is to wait patiently while the command runs. Allow the process to fully complete, as interrupting it may prevent the fix from working properly. This step ensures the system applies the changes correctly. Step 4 finalizes method 1 by restarting your computer. Click the Start menu, select the power option, and click Restart so Windows can reload with the updated network configuration. Method 2 offers a built-in troubleshooting option, starting with Step 1. Right-click the Internet Access icon on the Windows taskbar, which is usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This icon gives quick access to network settings and tools. Step 2 is to launch the automatic Troubleshooter. Click Troubleshoot Problems from the context menu so Windows can begin scanning for network issues. This tool is useful for detecting common connectivity problems. Step 3 is to follow the guided fix. Click the network adapter that is experiencing issues, then click Next and follow the on-screen instructions. Windows will attempt to diagnose and resolve the error automatically. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more easy-to-follow tech solutions.